Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. This is the actual 986 that we're doing the water pump video. So we done a water pump video on actually yesterday. So today I want to show you, this is the old water pump. We took it off already. Now spin it. Spin it. One more time. So the bearing inside the water pump is gone, so that's why it's making that noise there. So luckily the customer brought the car down in time, because otherwise the pulley will just start to go like that and come off, and then the belt will get caught on engine part here, and then hopefully ruin the other stuff as well. So this is a new belt. I've got a brand new drive belt. That's a brand new water pump there. So now we're going to start the car up, so you can compare the video to before. Alright, now it's running good, car's all ready. So tomorrow we're going to put all the covers back on, and the covers at the back here, and put everything back together. But for now, nothing overleaked, nothing overheated, sorry. It didn't overheat today, it was all good. This is the old thermostat as well. This one here opens up at 83 degrees, which is the old, this is the normal, the original for thermostat. They open at 83 degrees. But the OEM one I put in the car opens at 73 degrees, which is a cooler thermostat that I always recommend to put on your 996 and 986. Alright, so we've got a new thermostat, new water pump, new gasket, and new drive bell. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.